Guess what? AI is about to make average marketers irrelevant. Not tomorrow, not in 10 years, already. And the scary part is, most people still think this is about tools, and it's not. So let's clear something up right away. AI isn't coming for marketing, it's coming for guesswork, fluff, and people who never understood fundamentals to begin with. If your entire value is pushing buttons, writing generic copy, or following templates, AI doesn't threaten you. It's going to replace you. And it already has, quietly, cheaply, and without asking for a raise. Why this feels so uncomfortable is simple. Most marketers were trained in execution. Run the ads, write the emails, build the funnel, post the content. And for a long time, that was enough. But AI just collapsed the value of execution. Anyone can now generate landing pages, ad copy, email sequences, and content calendars in seconds. So if execution is no longer scarce, what is? It's judgment. Here's what AI is actually doing to the market. It isn't raising the ceiling, it's raising the floor. Mediocre work is now automated, which means the gap between good and great is about to get very, very obvious. Because AI can write copy, but it can't decide who you should target, what problem actually matters, and which message to lead with, or where in the funnel friction is hiding. Those decisions require context, experience, and pattern recognition. And those are things bad marketers never developed. This is creating a new divide in marketing. Marketers are splitting into two groups. Group 1 asks, which AI tool should I use? Group 2 asks, what decision should AI help me make faster? One group is chasing outputs, the other is designing systems. You guess, and you tell me, who do you think is going to survive? Here's why bad marketers are about to be exposed. Before AI, you can hide behind activity. Lots of posts, lots of tests, lots of busy. Now, results are the only thing left, because when everyone has access to the same tools, the only differentiator is strategy, positioning, clarity, and sequencing. And bad marketers don't lack effort. They lack taste. They don't know what good looks like, so they can't evaluate what AI produces, which means they'll ship more content faster and still not know why it doesn't work. What great marketers will do instead is simple. They won't fight AI, they'll use it to strip away noise. They'll spend less time creating and more time thinking. More time on customer research, offer design, narrative, and distribution strategy. AI becomes their leverage, not their replacement. Think of it like this. AI is a calculator. It doesn't make you a mathematician. It just exposes who never understood math. If you want to be irreplaceable in marketing, here's the skill stack that actually matters now. Can you diagnose why something isn't converting? Can you tell which metric actually matters and which is vanity? Can you simplify a message without dumbing it down? Can you design a system that works without constant babysitting? AI can't answer those questions, but it will punish you if you never learned how. So here's the real opportunity most people are missing. This is the best time in history to be a great marketer, because the bar for good enough just got automated, which means clarity, taste, and strategic thinking are about to be worth more than ever. The market isn't shrinking, it's filtering. Final truth, AI won't replace marketers, but it will expose who understands customers, who understands incentives, and who is just following playbooks. And once that exposure happens, there's no hiding behind tools anymore. If this video made you rethink where your real value comes from, go to the comments and type AI playbook. I'll send you my personal copy of my own AI playbook, the frameworks I use to think about strategy, leverage, and building systems that scale in an AI-driven world. Drop AI playbook below, and I'll see you on the inside.